Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to Haniela's. Today I'm going to show you how to make beautiful flower cookies decorated with edible lace and royal icing. Let's get started. You can find sugar cookie recipe and royal icing recipe that I like to use posted on my blog. Links are in the description box under the video. And now let's get started with edible lace. Today I'm using SUGARVEIL. I'm also sharing a full tutorial on how to make SUGARVEIL. You can find a video in the description box. And what I'm going to do now is we're going to cut out rounds using a craft punch. Now apply a thin layer of royal icing onto the cookie. And then you can place lace rounds that we cut out from our edible lace onto the icing and let it crust for about an hour or so. You can obviously do different colors. And now all we are going to do is outline and flat the cookie. I'm using 15-second consistency royal icing. Let the icing crust, and then you can add decorative border. Use piping consistency royal icing. And that's how you can make these beautiful flower cookies decorated with edible lace. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.